Okay. Hello, folks. This is Eric with Eric Hepperle Designs. I thought today we'd go ahead and work on updating my website. We don't have too much time, maybe 15 minutes. So all I'm really trying to do today is to go into Elementor and add the my latest blog posts. So those will show up. Also, you see the latest post is down here for some reason. I probably hid them previously because it wasn't the right kind of posts or something, and I needed to sort through them. And then here my Instagram feed isn't loading also. So we might do those two things, but that's all we're going to do today. So, okay, so let's go back to, now, it's a problem, I have too many windows open. Okay, so I just went through and actually named all these. These all just said section, but now they have names so I know what they are and I can quickly move them around. So this is all because we're editing in Elementor. So now what I want to do is I'm going to go to latest posts. So that's that section right there. I'm going to go into this column. Inside the column, I'm going to see what's there. Okay, we got heading, but we actually need grids or something like that. So let's do this, and let's say posts. Is it post? What is it called? Grid. They may have changed it, or I may have just forgot. Let me take a look real quick here. Basic gallery. No, that's a gallery. Let's see. Alert. Sidebar. Oh, that's weird. I mean, posts should be in there. I must have missed it. Globals. Weird. Okay, let me pause real quick and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I found this video here, this tutorial from Tech Express that says how to use the post grid. So I guess we're going to have to go and install a secondary plugin, which I didn't want to, but if that's what we got to do, I'm okay with it. I've worked with Elementor enough to know that, or premium, pretty much most of the premium things, you have to get external third-party plugins if you don't want to pay the premium price. So let's go. Let's see. Do I have anything else? Okay. No, it should be good. So let's go add plugin. And it is called PostGrid. So PostGrid. And it's this one right here that says install now by RadiusTheme. We'll install that. And now we'll activate. And she was showing something, but I'm wondering, what if I do this differently? What if I refresh? And now we'll see if the PostGrid widgets are in there. It'll just take just a second here. Let me know if you've used Elementor, if you've had any issues with it, or if you like it, what your experience with Elementor is. Let me know in the comments below. Okay, let's see. So the TP grid layout, I think that's what I want to do. So I'm going to go, where did that go? Latest posts. All right, so I'm going to drag him over here to latest posts. And now I haven't created any grid per se, but let's see if it says what the source is. Query build, maybe that's it. Post source. Oh my goodness, look, there's my posts. That works for me. Let's see, we do publish post because that's a test post, so that should not be out there. Okay, post IDs, exclude posts, multiple post types, limit display per page. Let's display 6, not -1. Let's go to 6. That should be good. Offset. You do a post offset if you have like a number at the top that's like a featured post or something. So, quick query, that's pro by categories. Taxonomies, author, date range, order by. Looks good. Let's go check out the pagination. Show pagination. Default pagination. Yeah, that looks good. I like that. Links. Link to details page. Same window. Thumbnail. Okay, I think that looks good. So let's go back to layout real quick and see what if we grab this layout. Or this layout. That layout. Interesting. Okay, so I like this layout, but I want my images to be a little bit smaller. 4 columns? If I did 4 columns, that would make my images smaller. Nope, I think that's good. Okay. Settings, we'll just look at settings real quick. Post tags, we show post tags. Post comment count, show that. And section title, post title, thumbnail, medium, large, let's do 300. Oh, that's just the quality, okay. So let's do that. Image hover, animation. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, we can do that. Excerpt content. That looks good. Metadata. Read more. Default from style. Show button icon. No, I think this is fine. All right, so we will publish it, and then let's go back over here. Reload. That's good. We'll go ahead and why? That's interesting. So if I've got a page 2, so I'm short. Oh, okay, because I'm doing 4, so I need to do 8. So let me go back here to content. Make sure if we're doing 4 columns, query build, we're going to show 8 instead. Okay, and there we go. That looks good. So let's publish it. And I'm going to move the latest post to the top. Latest posts. Let's do recent projects and publish. And there we go. Awesome. Now this is section title. I want to hide the section title. That's interesting. Okay. Read more. Read more. Section title. Recent projects. Web design, UX, etc. Okay. So latest posts. title. I'm going to see if I can take that section title out of there. I don't want that there. Okay, and let's figure out what this is. Actually, that's weird. Oh, no, it's not, because it's private. The test post. We should get rid of that test post, though, because that's a little confusing on the back end, even though it doesn't show up on the front. And now, why is that showing? Okay, that's page 2, that's why. Hold on a second. Oh, no, it is public. Okay. So we need to delete that test post. There's posts. Then section title. Links, settings, section title. Okay, let's not show it. There we go. All right, so let's publish. That looks pretty good. Try it again. And I want to do one more thing here. Let's go ahead. One thing I don't like about this is column width. Let's see if I get that in there. Column width. Let's see if the section content width is full width. And then we've got padding. 5. That's interesting. Let's do left. Let's see. 2 there, 2 rem there. Is that percent? Oh, that's percent. Let's make that rem. Alright, so this will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 rem. Okay, make this one 2 rem. And then the column, what is width to actually be 60. Uh-oh. What is it doing there? That's interesting. Okay. So maybe not. Maybe we just do like this. Margin. Could do it that way. Seems like what we want is either this column we want it to be a different width. We don't want it to be 100%. So why can't I change that? I do not know. Let's try this. Rem. And then rem. Let's just do 0. Okay, 0. How about now? Value must be less than or equal to 98. 50. It won't. Why won't it let me write 50? Weird. Just weird. Well, percent. I seem to remember there was a place I could put the width in pixels or something, but I don't see that here. Well, maybe it's only in let's probably do that. 23. All right, so this will be 0. Whoops, a daisy. We need to, there we go. This doesn't have to be 0, but there we go. Make that 6. Let's see what the bottom one is. Make him probably, uh-oh, that wasn't bottom, was it? 20, 24. There's the bottom. 10. Alright, there we go. That looks good. Publish that and remove this weird test post. Okay, trash. And there we go. And now we should be at something more reasonable. Very good. Okay, much more reasonable. And then if we see if we can we? No, it's okay. The testing is not going to work for that. So we're just going to have to do close that guy and just do like this, and we'll simulate just by closing the screen. Okay. Aha. All right, so we're about 17 minutes into it, it looks like. So what we're missing right here is we need to make it like mobile responsive. The way you do that in Elementor, you have to manually edit the different scenarios. So right here, we want it to be too wide. So if we go here, we'll change this to column 2 columns. Okay. Zero. Topography, alignment. All that looks good. Column needs to be next. Make that 0. Perfect. That looks perfect. Okay. Publish. And then we'll go to what is it that we're going to? Oh, mobile. There we go. Go to mobile. Mobile already looks pretty good. I'm just going to leave that alone. Awesome. I don't like this guy though on mobile. That is a little weird. He has some weird spacing that he doesn't need. Okay, padding. Just make it 0. 0. And now, okay, that's much better. Those look good. And we'll publish. Hey guys, welcome back to Eric Hepperle Designs, another WordPress tutorial here. Alright. So now, if I do this, we should be good to go.